So, all hands, ladies and gentlemen, for these young, budding, can I say, the mental arithmetic talent coming here. Please join me as I invite these young kids. These kids are from CBS Education Services. Smart, quick, talented, blessed with mental ability, or they have nurtured it, groomed it. In fact, all of them, okay, they are from class 2. Class first and class 9th. Okay, so what are you going to be? I think you have abacus with you. Yeah. And you are in class 1. And you have been learning abacus since when? Last 2 years. That is, he's in class 1. He started in senior KG. Okay.
So just good evening, and I want to show live presentation of our student. We are doing mental calculation. You will get surprise. They are in first standard, and you will see their magic, what wonder they are doing. And we are in the our name of the company is UCMAS. And we are activating both part of the brain, that is right brain and left brain. And with the help of right brain, they can do calculation much faster than calculator and computer. And yeah.
Please carry on.
Okay. So now we are, this is Vedant Wire, who is in first standard. Mr. Gopri Trivedi, Akshara Nair, and Apurva Mule. And give them big clapping. Now you are going to see the magic of this student. And Akshara is very fan of Vishwanath Anandji. Okay, and she will meet you personally afterwards. Now we are going to ask, we are calling Mr. Vishwanath Anandji, please to select the sum.
They basically, you know, they want you to, yeah. They're going to be calculating and whether they are right or wrong.
We have our practice book, which are the readily answered 10,000 sums, among which Mr. Anandji would like to choose any sums.
So, ready? 1, 3, 7, 8, 2, 6, 4, 5, 9, 4. Your answer is? 49. Oh, wow. Okay. The answer is 49.
The demonstration what we are conducting, the numbers what we are saying, we never say plus. If it is minus, we'll say minus. Otherwise, the number has to be added.
Now, ये तो आपको भी आया होगा, because it was very simple. Now they are doing magic, which you cannot do, even we cannot imagine. Okay? Now we are going with the 2 digit. Select the sum. Any number. Like this. Okay. This block, this is the answer. Ready? 75, 54, 71, 2020, 42. Your answer is? The answer is 262. Please, big clapping. Okay? Now, they are going for 2 digit and 3 digit addition. This is the answer. Ready? 36, 194, 971, 86, 325. Your answer is 1612. Okay, give them big clapping, big clapping. Friends, it was very difficult for us in the school to by heart the tables. Okay? You ask, now I'll ask Vishwanath Anandji to select any number, big number, and they will prepare table for you. Okay?
Before forwarding, if someone asks us to set table, so we also have the by heart the table. We are comfortable till today, 1 to 15, or 20 or 25. No one should ask us a number in between 15 or 20 or 20 to 25, correct? And these children are in first standard. Let's witness what they are ready to, are capable to say the table of given number.
You any table. Two digit. Yeah. Multiply. 40. Say is a 15 table. 15, 30, 45 are doing no. So they can do any table.
We will give you answer directly. So I just put any two digit.
Any two.
Two-digit number.
No. Okay. Now Vishwanath Anandji has asked 78 table for first standard student. Okay. You can check. Your Vishwanath Anandji is also checking here. Ready? Start.
78, 156, 234, 312, 390, 468, 546, 624, 702, 780.
Wow. That's simply
Okay.
amazing and unbelievable.
Please. Okay. Now, 3-digit table. Okay. Apurva, he will do 3-digit table. Any number, 3-digit number table.
Say it will be simple.
It will be simple. Complicated.
615 will be not simple. 613.
It is also simple.
I think you.
6, only.
Okay. 613. 613.
Okay. 613.
613-122-618-39-245-230-653-678-4291-4905-679-85-89-858-291.
Oh God.
You have crossed more than 10. You have gone up to 13. Okay. We have to tell them to stop. Okay. Some difficult because this was little bit easier for him. Okay. Now 4-digit table. Okay. The number is 4286. Okay.
4286-8572-128-5-114-21-4-21-430-2571-630-002 34288-3857-428-604-7146-514-2-5571-8-6004-04 64290-68576-72-862-7714-8.
Oh.
Okay. They can do any multiplication, any addition, any subtraction mentally much faster than Pentium 4. And we are giving this training, and it is called Brain Development Program. And we are conducting these classes, and also we are introducing very new course that is called Memory Technique. Even you can also join. For this course is only for 4 years to 13 years of age group. But Memory Technique you can also join. You can memorize any number, anything, and that technique we are going to introduce. So this is called Memory Development Program, and they are coming once in a week, 2 hours to learn this technique. And
Sir, after witnessing this kind of the demo, what are your comments,
Yeah.
please?
Well, it's like watching people speak in some language you don't understand.
I'm sure it has left all of us speechless.
I think they're doing fine.
When we performed this same demo in front of the Mumbai University Vice Chancellor, Mr. Rajan Velikar, he expressed that this kind of the training should be imparted in each and every school where the students goes to the learn So this is a after school program. So they suggested.
Actually, just like already Vishwanath Anandji is using that brain, when he's playing the game, he is planning the moves, not only one or two, many in the brain, and he is using right part of the brain. Okay? And these students, they are using right brain, and because of this, they can do this wonder. They can do anything, any calculation. They are in first standard. And Apurva is now in 9th standard. He is going for 10. Okay, and you want to say anything?
There's a special thing what I want to project in front of you. You have seen a calculation now. Now I'll be saying two digits, two different numbers alternately, but he will give you answer of one sum differently, one sum different. I'll explain the chief guest here. So these are two different numbers. I'll be alternately speaking. But he will give the answer of this separately, this separately. So can you choose? I'll give two columns. Yeah. Ready? Just can you?
Yeah.
He is asking two different sum. Okay?
Okay.
He will do one calculation in the right brain and one calculation in the left brain, and he will give the answer differently. There are two different sum. Okay?
Okay, ready? 6, 3, 4, 1, 8. Okay, again. Okay, two voice. Okay. Yeah. First one.
Ready? 6,
3,
4,
1,
8,
6,
2,
4,
7.
7. Okay, again.
Again. Ready? 6,
3,
4,
1,
8,
6,
2,
4,
7.
7. Okay. No problem. It's difficult. Okay.
So he can do the 3 digits.
If anybody want to ask any question, you can ask.
You can ask.
No, they have to actually start at young age for to develop this.
From
At
the
the age of
4 age, they can start this program.
So our minds are now totally exhausted.
No,
We can't.
Yeah.
Lost it. We've lost it completely now.
But memory technique you can join to remember the things. Okay? So, Vishwanath Anandji, how you?
Well, I lost track very quickly, so I'm very impressed. Okay.
So, it's this type of our students, they are doing magic in all the competitive exams, CA exam and everything, and they are the toppers. I want to make another Vishwanath Anand from our students. That is my dream.